It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I am back. Oh my goodness. Halloween night. I actually just went through my daughter's Halloween bag. And I basically am stealing all of her candy at this point. Who else does that? Like, I just, take my kids' candy. I had a peppermint patty, a Tootsie Roll, some gummy bears, and a Hershey's bar. So I got a chocolate thing going on here. Also wanted to thank Barbara for being the first person to order from our new t-shirt venture, Von Leo. I'm so excited! Oh my gosh, it was so fun to get an order. She did order the Queen of the Girl Geeks Candle Day shirt, so I'm assuming she might be a viewer. So thank you so much, Barbara. That made our day. Oh my goodness. Again, I have the 25% off discount on the Bon Leo t-shirt shop, which I will put the link below if you are interested in checking that out. So I wasn't going to do another video tonight, but tomorrow Bath & Body Works is doing a bar soap sale. I just wanted to talk about it a little bit to get you guys going, and check it out. My girlfriend just gave me the Once Upon a Holiday Story coupon book, which I didn't get, by the way. Where's mine? This is a good one too, because check it out. This is what it looks like. And it's got a 25% off your entire purchase, 10 off 35, but that one doesn't start until November 20th, and then a full-size body care item. I'm going to use this to get the clock, if I can find it. I really want the clock, so I'm going to have to go shopping at some point and use these coupons. On the back, they're talking about the strawberry snowflakes, which is pretty cool. So we're going to be going over all this stuff. I think my order is coming tomorrow, by the way, my Bath & Body Works Christmas order, which I've been waiting forever on. So once that comes and I unbox that, by the way, my Raspberry thumbprint is crooked. I'm going to start doing all of the sets. We're going to start going through each collection for Christmas. So that's going to be fun. So I got to talk about this. Tomorrow only is the bar soap sale, $2.95. That is a phenomenal deal on bar soap, because usually, what are they usually? They're buy three get three, $8.95. So that takes them down to like $4.50. So you're saving more. I don't know. I think no, you do have to have the barcode in the store. Online, you need to use the code Mary. So these make great Christmas gifts. There's some new ones too. The Northern Brights, which, by the way, where'd my Northern Brights go? Where did I put it? Everything's a mess. I need to clean up. I've been working here with Lenny all week, and we just like have everything everywhere. I do have the scrub, but I don't get as much pine in this one. I get more pine in the lotion. So I want to kind of try the Shea Butter cleansing bar, they call them, which is the bar soap. I like the formula a lot. It kind of reminds me of the old True Blue formula. I really like that one. That one was amazing. It's not quite the same, but it's similar. So Northern Brights, Classic Flannel, the new Woodlands, and this is interesting. They've got Bright Christmas Morning. I got to get it just to try it, but they don't have Twisted Peppermint, Winter Candy Apple, or Vanilla Bean Noel yet. Are they in the stores? Are they going to show up tomorrow? I don't know, but I'd really like to get those. They have 1,000 Wishes, which is an online exclusive, Pure Wonder, Luminous. I do have a Luminous one. Vanilla Coconut, which is good. Whiskey Reserve, the Manhattan Nightcap. That's a good one. Eucalyptus Lavender, Leather and Brandy, Cucumber Melon, Coffee and Whiskey, Lavender Vanilla, and another, I think it's just another packaging style. Did I say lavender vanilla already? Japanese Cherry Blossom, Eucalyptus Spearmint, Into the Night, Hero, Ocean Bourbon. Oh, and it's interesting. Now they're showing like low stock on stuff. So low stock on graphite, Dream Bright, mahogany teakwood, champagne toast, freshwater, and gingham legend. I think a lot of people are going to be interested in that bright Christmas morning, but once again, where is Twisted Peppermint? I actually do want a Jolly Gingerbread Village in the bar sub. We got a lot to talk about. I really want to talk about that some more. I finally got the cream. I gotta really dive back into Christmas, you guys. I don't know. I keep going back and forth on this. It's kind of growing on me, which is weird. I don't know. We got to talk about everything Christmas tomorrow, November 1st. So we're kind of moving into that November holiday season. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go eat some more Halloween candy. It's still Halloween for another couple of hours. I will see you guys tomorrow. We're going to dive full on to Christmas. Have a good night. Bye-bye.